Thank you for considering Seipp Roofing. We take pride in our process, and we want you to know what to expect during our initial consultation appointment. Step 1. Arrival. You will receive a text message from a member of our team when they are on the way. Please be prepared to meet us outside or at the door around the scheduled appointment time. Step 2. Interior attic inspection. We will come inside your home to check for ceiling stains and damage and set up a ladder if needed to get inside your attic for inspection. If you are having your roof replaced, an interior attic inspection is a must. Half of your roof is in the attic or interior. From here, we inspect the structure and sheathing for any damage or water intrusion and for proper ventilation. From the attic, we can catch damage costs up front as opposed to the day of replacement, which results in an unforeseen additional cost to the homeowner. We must check that all plumbing, pipes, and bathroom fans are vented out properly. Vents that are exhausting into the attic space can cause moisture damage, mildew, and mold. We must ensure that there is a proper form of intake and exhaust for the roof system, also known as passive airflow. Proper ventilation is required by the manufacturer to warranty a roof system. This prevents the buildup of heat and moisture, which can result in mold, mildew, interior damage, and shorten the lifespan of your roof. Step 3. Exterior elevation inspection. A walk-around is conducted to check each elevation of the home. From the elevations, we can see the general layout of the roof, siding, and gutter system. These components all work together to protect your home. We can also determine if there are any special needs for the project regarding protecting the home, landscaping, and vehicle access for our crews and material trucks. Checking for the presence of a moisture barrier, otherwise known as a house wrap, is very important for us to know. Any flashings at a roof-to-wall interface must be installed behind the barrier or taped off to ensure water and/or moisture can properly shed from behind the siding and not result in a leak. Step 4. Roof inspection. This is how the scope of work is determined. From the ladder, we check the size of the overhang, if the soffit is vented, the fascia, and gutters. All these components tie into or have an important function with the roof system. Before we hop on the roof, we check the eave assembly for proper overhang, the presence of starter shingles, drip edge, and ice and water barrier. We will determine if the roof needs replaced, repaired, or maintained. Keep in mind a roof isn't just shingles. It is a system of shingles, flashings, underlayments, vents, sheathings, fasteners, etc. If the shingles are in good shape, it doesn't always necessarily mean that the roof is in good shape too. All major components are inspected: chimneys, skylights, flashings, vents, shingles, etc. Roofs that have some storm damage may be eligible for an insurance claim. We are here to make you aware if that could be a successful route, and we're here to help you through the insurance process. Roof vents and penetrations are important details and common leak areas, as seen here. Step 5. Review. At this point, we will have gathered lots of photos, notes, etc. regarding your project. We like to provide and review our findings together with you. Seipp Roofing values our customers' property, and we want to ensure that there is a clear understanding between us and our customers regarding any exterior needs. Step 6. Receive a proposal. Depending on the project details, we may be able to provide an estimate at the time of appointment. Other larger or more detailed projects will require more time, team review, availability checking, etc. to put together a proper estimate. Seipp Roofing uses a variety of hand measuring, photos, drone technology, and software to get all the necessary information to enter into our system and provide you a detailed work scope and real-time pricing. If not at the time of the appointment, we will send you an estimate as soon as possible. During that time frame, don't hesitate to reach out to our office or your designated representative. We are here to help. We really hope this video was helpful, and we thank you for considering Seipp Roofing. We know that you have several options for your project, and we are thrilled that we may have the opportunity to work with you. Thanks again.